Henry Ruggs III was arrested last Tuesday morning for driving with a blood alcohol level more than twice the legal limit in Nevada. He smashed his Corvette into a car with an innocent woman and her dog in it at 156 miles per hour. 156. Tina Tinter is dead. Her dog Maxie is dead. But Tina didn't die on impact. Witnesses ran to help her. Why would they run to help her? Because they heard her screaming in the car. The car that immediately burst into flames. She died most likely of smoke inhalation, and she burned to death. So Kadarius Toney of the New York Giants, no, we don't stand with Henry Ruggs III. Henry Ruggs III doesn't stand with Henry Ruggs III. He knows he should be dead. He knows his girl, who was passenger side, should be dead. 156 on impact and killed. Killed two, man. Yes, he made a mistake. And it can be rehabilitated. The decision making. The brain at 22 is not fully developed. 25 is that age. And even at 22, since adolescence, he's been getting knocked in the head. That's not a conversation we want to have right now. But he can make mistakes even this big and learn from them. Tina and Maxie did not make a mistake. They're trying to get home. They don't live to learn from this situation. Kadarius Toney, sit down. Shut up. Rest in peace, Tina. Rest in peace to Maxie.